Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here. It's cloudy and no blue skies this morning, but we have to head out. The kids have to go to school. It's cold, chilly, but we're heading out and it's gonna be a busy day as usual, doing what we gotta do around here.
Instead of laughing, I'm coughing.
That's all you guys get? Not even good morning?
You couldn't read in my lips. Look, in slow motion that was. Good morning, guys. Yes, Tala is trying. Look, you might see his little teeth. Good morning, guys. That's gonna be a busy day. Summer. Everybody enjoy your day with this too funny one.
What one?
It's better?
Yes.
Ready
Mama,
to go to school?
You know how many?
Wait, you ready to go to school?
Yes.
You're gonna be
Nice, kind, great, brave, to let anyone bully me, and I don't know what's right.
You don't know what's the right?
I don't remember anymore.
Well, you better remember what's the right.
Patient, don't talk in class.
Very good. This jacket is so annoying. Oh my god, you guys. Tyler had a semi-rough night last night. He was coughing this dry cough and he wasn't feeling well. It's a little bit better this morning, so let's see how his day will pull through.
Mama,
Yes, Ty?
you need to put your phone number.
Where's the book? Give me the book. He keeps saying we need to put our number on
I
it.
still
Kaya
remember
detect.
your phone number.
What is it?
0781.
That's my boy.
Better than
I don't know Papa number on my
This
head.
one, the
Come, hurry.
number I know in Papa one is 06.
Sarah, papa il va au travail, d'accord? Alors tu es sage à l'école, tu écoutes maîtresse et tu écoutes Picha. T'es calé, papa?
You don't need it anymore.
No. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna drop the kids to school. I'm gonna let you guys see Sarah real quick, and then we'll be out.
Pieces.
Go to work. Sarah, say good morning. Ready to go to school? You're gonna be
Rappelle-toi, tu as deux missions.
brave and
Avoir les bonnes notes à l'école
and
et à la maison aussi.
and ready to go see your friends. All right, let's go. Yes.
Can I tell you on fifth how many inches for now?
Have a good day.
Mama.
You guys, oh, let me stretch. I've been busy as usual. You know, you guys hear that noise? You hear it? Yeah, that's my neighbors doing construction all day upstairs. I mean, all week they've been doing construction, but anyway, it's not really bothering me much. I went out to drive-in school today to do a little bit of code, and it was okay getting there. Got back home, got some stuff done. I'm in the kitchen cooking, and I was talking to Priscilla on the phone. I'm like, let me pull it up and show you guys that P ain't going nowhere, because you guys always message me and say, where is Priscilla? You guys haven't seen Priscilla. I have a clip to show you guys of Priscilla, so I'm gonna insert it right here and then I'll come back. Wait. Come, say hello to the faves.
Hi, faves! I just want you guys to know that me there, I mean, unless me have gone nowhere. Work I broke my face, but me still there, touch base with my sister on a regular basis. Yes, people, right? True.
Right, so everybody who's been asking for Priscilla, there she is, live and living colors, so she not gone nowhere. You guys might not see her in the comment section, but we chat regular on the phone.
People that send it on big screen, so the comment on there. A big screen in the parlor. Them not put no comment section on there. Anytime they put it on there, I will comment. But a big screen, I think can't lead. So, I'm sure after the thing said.
Yes, so So you guys, there you have it. You have the proof. Priscilla is still here. She ain't going nowhere. As long as me alive, she not go nowhere. Nowhere. Me not. Unless a France. Yes. And even if she want go, she don't have a choice. She ain't going nowhere. She stuck with me forever.
You understand? Guys, where I come from. The overnight ship I broke me neck. But they don't know. You have to check in no matter what, no matter how tired, because you don't know. We are the Delaveaus crew for life.
Yes.
No matter what.
Right, true.
You understand?
Right, true.
Like, come fix me there.
All right, we got no. So yeah, that's Priscilla. We always talk on the phone, always stay connected. However, now that you guys have seen Priscilla, I am in the kitchen cooking dinner for the fam bam. What am I cooking today? Take a wild guess. I love to see you guys guesses in the comment section when I ask you guys what I'm cooking. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm making dinner today. So make your guesses. Dun, 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 dun. Now, make your guess. All right, here's the result. Here's the answer. So down here we have, what do you think it is? What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Chicken liver, bubbling, simmering. So I have chicken liver going on here. Yes. What else we have going on? Let's close this back. Yes. Over here we're blanching a little broccoli. Yes. Then we come over here, we have some fish that's seasoned and ready to be fried. Yes. And then I also have macaroni and cheese in the fridge for the kids, and I'm going to cook a piece of sweet potato. I'm gonna cook all of this sweet potato actually, because I love the orange sweet potato. Is my favorite. You know, you have different types of sweet potato. You have the orange one, you have the yellow one, and you have the white one. Comment down below and tell me which sweet potato is your favorite. I personally prefers the orange one because it's more sweet. I don't know why. Not a fan of the white one. It's more dry and trashy, and the yellow one is kind of close to the orange one, so I don't mind it. But whenever I go to the supermarket, I'm intentional in picking up the orange sweet potato. I love it. And I wasn't a fan of sweet potato growing up. The only way I used to eat sweet potato growing up is when I used to go to the farm. We call it bush. But I used to go to bush with my grandparents, and they used to dig the sweet potato and roast it on the fire. Oh my gosh, right there on the farm in the bush. One I saw, used to love that. Make me miss my grandparents. But anyway, me I run a boat right now. Me I run a boat. You remember when I used to give you guys Jamaican expression of the day? Yeah, that's when Mel had time. Now I don't have no time to give you all that. But the Jamaican expression for the day, me I run a boat. For Jamaican setting, you say, yo, me I go home go run a boat. Me I go me I go run a boat. They mean that they're cooking. Or they say, yo, me I run a boat. Mean they're cooking. Yeah, so me I run a boat right now. This more seem like a ship, kinda. Anyway, you guys, I'm finishing up cooking before I head to go and pick up my kids. Look at them. Just pick them up from school. I don't even have the camera, but I'm vlogging from my phone because they're in the garden playing hide and seek. Look at them both. She's counting and he's hiding. Is you not moving fast enough? Catch him, Sarah, catch him. Look at the sunset coming in nicely. It's your turn to catch her now. You see how my boy is getting tall. It's so windy, y'all. Look at the palm trees. Sarah, go hide. You have to count over. You can't it too fast. Sarah, no. Look how she hiding. She just turned her back and thinks that's hiding for her. Look at her. Run, Sarah, run! You guys see the wind? Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Sunset is just protruding so beautifully over the mountain. How she reached 9:10 already? They shall sleep. Die, let she catch you. Die. Catch the sunset for you guys just as I'm going inside, right on time. Right on time. Alrighty, there goes dinner for me and for Sarah and for Tyler. Papa is working late tonight, so we're gonna eat without him.
Mama, can I try?
I'm waiting on the trouble to come and end the vlog with me. You hear him? May I come at you? At least you're showing them heart of love. Ow. Your face feels sticky. You shaved this morning?
I haven't shaved in like a week almost.
Lie. If you don't shave for a week, you look exactly like Prince Harry.
How long this?
Not a week.
No, but when is the last time?
Not a week.
Yeah,
I don't know when
Thursday.
it lasts, but I didn't even realize it was that long until I feel it just
You
now.
see, tell me that I am.
Yeah, but it's not a week.
You see, that's everything that I have to deal with. I mean,
But it's not a week.
it's like 5
Say
days.
2 days.
2 days.
When last you shave?
Probably like 5 times.
Monday? You shave Monday?
For sure I didn't shave yesterday. For sure I didn't shave Tuesday. Monday, I'm not sure. I don't want to be honest. I don't think I
You don't
did.
want to be honest? No, you don't want to be honest. You're never honest. Bear that in mind, you see? Caught him on camera telling the truth. He don't want to be honest. We all know that, honey. We know that's his speciality.
Yeah.
We know that's the truth.
Yes, darling.
Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to end today's vlog. I am tired as usual. What's new?
Nothing's new.
Just put my 2 little rugrats in bed almost 9 p.m. And I'm not going to do nothing for the rest of tonight. This is going to be the vlog when you're seeing it, and this is the day before. It's not edited as yet, so I'm gonna edit it in the morning. because I don't feel like editing right now, to tell you the truth.
We're going for a glass of wine.
Oh, I wish, because there's none. I asked for a glass of wine 2 days ago, and there was there's wine in this house, lots of it, but not the wines that I like. I don't know how I'm out of wine. It's just because I haven't had any in a while. Tomorrow when I go to the supermarket, I am picking up 2 bottles, that's for sure. I'm picking up 2 bottles, but you're gonna have to tell me the correct one, because I know the sweet one, but that's not the one the one that we used to take at the beginning. We changed it and was taking the one that your dad recommended for me.
Yeah,
yes, that's the one I want. But
from Dad?
Yeah, but you always pick up that one, so I don't really know. You're gonna have to tell me.
I should.
Yeah, which one to pick up. And then I'm going to pick up a bottle of Baileys. I should pick up the Baileys last week when I saw it on sale. Sure, it won't be on sale this week, but that's fine. I'm still gonna pick it up.
I remember if you overpaid.
If you're over the budget,
I spank your body.
you always spank my body, so that's okay.
No, but I spank it harder. Anyway, guys.
I think it's time for him to end this vlog. That's your cue to go to your bed.
Yeah, that's the clue. Say ding ding. Got to bed. No more.
Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you didn't find that. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Pieces, deuces.
We're out.
Ja, Rastafari. Deuces! Yeah.
Ja, Rastafari.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.